This is how to change the battery in your Ellard Remote, also a Genesis. You will need, as you can see, a CR2032 3-volt battery, one of the little button types, possibly a thin screwdriver or a third hand. Now, a bit strange these. We're going to start with the buttons facing, put them in your hand, that way up with the string away. So the way you do this to open it is you have to pull on the string, which distorts the case a little bit and then separates the button face from here, and then we can unclip it. Now, it's a bit fiddly. Basically, there we go. You see, it's popped open. Then either a screwdriver, a good nail, or an assistant, and it opens out. And there's your battery. And then simply slide the battery out. Slide the new one in. And then just clip it back together. The right way around. And you're done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.